Hello, my friends. In this comprehensive lesson, we will thoroughly learn and truly get to know the absolutely correct and proper way to effectively stop and completely prevent Wi-Fi assist from inadvertently consuming your valuable cellular data on your Apple iPhones. Meaning, if your Wi-Fi connection is experiencing an extremely weak signal, perhaps due to being far from the router or encountering significant interference, your smartphone or mobile device will intelligently and automatically switch its network connectivity over to utilizing cellular data. This seamless transition is designed to ensure uninterrupted internet access, but it will, as a direct consequence, consume your available cellular data balance, potentially leading to unexpected charges or a faster depletion of your monthly allowance. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. Now go ahead and open the default settings application, which is readily found on all iPhones. After that, you will need to simply tap on the specific option that is clearly labeled as cellular. And if your mobile device is currently set to a different language, bear in mind the visual locations and icons you'll absolutely need to proceed to. So I'm going to simply tap right here on the screen at this very spot. After that, I scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find the option labeled Wi-Fi Assist, and you can thoroughly read through this comprehensive article. Now I will proceed to tap right here to effectively disable this particular option. And now when I have carefully tapped right here, this specific button simply cannot be controlled or manipulated at all under any circumstances. So pull down the notification bar from the top to the bottom. Then you will need to turn on your cellular data SIM card, ensuring that it is properly activated and ready for use. Now let's go back to the previous place. As you can see, it has been activated. And now with this setting, I can effectively control this particular button. And finally, I will proceed to turn off this specific option. And from this moment forward, whenever I establish a connection to any Wi-Fi network that exhibits poor quality or an unstable signal, my mobile phone's cellular data balance will absolutely never be utilized or depleted, ensuring a consistent and reliable internet experience. If you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains a collection of highly informative iPhone tutorials where you will undoubtedly discover essential and important guides that you will truly appreciate, find incredibly useful, and ultimately benefit greatly from. Goodbye, my friends.